All right, so the next thing we're going to be looking at is text analysis. And for this particular story, we're going to be really concentrating on main idea and details. So such of what we know about famous or historical figures comes from their biographies or the stories of their lives written by another person. Biographers cover the main events of a person's life and often reveal their own ideas about what kind of person the subject was. Writers back up their main ideas with supporting details, such as the following. So we have anecdotes or brief stories from a person's life that reveal something about his or her character, examples of the person's thoughts, feelings, or behavior, statements made by or about the person, descriptions of life-changing experiences and events. So as you're reading through Spellbinder, look for Tom Lallicky's main ideas about Houdini and the details he includes to back up his views. Sorry, I'm getting a little tongue-tied there. And then as a reading skill, we're going to want to trace the chronological order. Now, you just had a lesson on text structure, so you should be very familiar with chronological order. Many biographies present the events of a person's life in chronological order, or the order in which they happened. For clues to order of events, look for words and phrases that identify specific times, such as before, first, 2 years earlier, or meanwhile. As you read Spellbinder, track the major events in Houdini's early career on a timeline like the one shown below. So you can see that right here. They started their own timeline, and it might just be a good idea for you to go ahead and create one. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as you're reading through, they put the first one down for you as 1894. He performs in dime museums. So as you're reading through, you can keep adding to this until you have the complete chronological order of the events that happen in Houdini's life.